I'm Special Agent Dennis Fetting with Homeland Security Investigations. We investigate crimes on the internet. I want to keep you and your child safe from digital dangers. So I want to talk to parents about a certain type of app, which is called a photo vault or a photo locker. These are commercially available on the iTunes Store or Google Play for Android devices. Your child can download these for free, or there's some that are paid depending on the functionality. Often these are disguised as something else. So what we have found, the most common one that children are downloading is a hidden calculator app, or an app that looks like a calculator, but in reality it's one of these photo lockers. The way that this works is children can hide photos and videos that they don't want their parents or school resource officers or school administrators to see inside of these calculator apps. These are fully functioning calculators. They look just like a calculator on their smartphone or their tablet. And the only way to access those hidden photos is to type in the correct equation on the calculator and then hit the equal sign, and then the children can access those photos. We have seen those apps being used by children in a bunch of different school sexting investigations and cases, both at our level and at the state and local level. These are very problematic, obviously, because it kind of lends to the idea that children can sext without a lot of risk of being caught by the authorities. What you can do as parents, if you suspect or are worried that your child might have a hidden calculator app or some sort of other photo vault or locker, just go into the iTunes Store account or the Google Play account that either they have or that you use, that they purchase from, and see what their account history is. Check and see for app names like Hidden Spy Calc, Hidden Calculator, Secret Photo Locker. Unfortunately, these hidden calculator apps have popped up in different national news stories regarding high school and middle school sexting scandals and sexting rings. And these children are being prosecuted at the state and local level as juveniles for the trading of these child pornography and peer-to-peer images using these hidden calculator apps. To report suspected online child exploitation in Tennessee, contact Homeland Security Investigations at 615-664-5501.